Join me as I dive deep into the world of AI and challenge myself to figure out what makes it so powerful today. Artificial intelligence has become a game-changing technology, transforming the way we live and work. From healthcare to finance and even entertainment, AI's influence is growing exponentially. It's hard to imagine a sector that hasn't been touched by AI's innovative hand. But what makes AI so powerful today? That's the question I'm here to answer. In the past, AI faced significant challenges that hindered its growth. One of the major barriers was the scarcity of data. Without large amounts of data, AI systems couldn't learn and improve. Computational power was another limitation. Processing large data sets required powerful computers that were often expensive and inaccessible. Moreover, ethical concerns surrounding AI's potential misuse held it back. There were fears that AI would replace human jobs, and its development would lead to moral and social issues. These concerns still persist, but despite them, AI has made tremendous progress. The data scarcity issue was addressed by the rise of big data. With the proliferation of the internet, social media, and the Internet of Things, the amount of data available for AI systems to learn from has grown exponentially. This has enabled AI to become more accurate and efficient. Additionally, advancements in computational power have made it possible to process large datasets quickly and efficiently. Cloud computing has democratized access to powerful computing resources, making AI more accessible to developers and researchers. However, the biggest breakthrough has been in machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This has led to the development of neural networks, which are modeled after the human brain. Neural networks can analyze data, identify patterns, and make decisions. They're the backbone of many AI applications, from image recognition to natural language processing. Artificial intelligence has come a long way since its inception. From beating human champions in complex games like Go and chess, to helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately, AI has transformed industries and everyday life. The pivotal moment came when AI technologies like deep learning and natural language processing began to transform industries. Suddenly, AI was no longer just a novelty, but a game changer. We've seen AI helpers like Siri and Alexa become an integral part of our daily lives. Self-driving cars are being tested on our roads. AI-powered chatbots are customer service representatives. AI has become ubiquitous, and its power lies in its ability to learn, adapt, and improve over time. So, what makes AI so powerful today? It's the culmination of technological advancements, increased data availability, and practical applications. AI has overcome its past challenges and is now driving innovation and progress across industries. Thanks for watching. If you have thoughts on AI's future, please share them in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into the ethical implications of AI, check out my related video.